Hey there, good afternoon. Okay, today we're going to be making some, excuse me, I'm still getting over that cold. Today we're going to make some beer and brats. I have here some just original Johnsonville brats. Go ahead and put them, open this package up, put them right in there. Now, my smoker today is set at between 250 and 275. Double check to make sure of that. There we go. Now, I'm not looking to get these to a roiling boil. What I want to do is I want to simmer them, but I want to make sure they're cooked. So, I got a couple cans of this Black and Tan from Yuengling. Stuff is delicious. Just remember, guys, whenever you're doing anything, especially with beer, you always want to use the beer that you like to drink. Don't cheap yourself. Alright, 2 cans here, just like that, and swig for myself. Oh yeah, that's some good stuff there, Nader. Alright, now like I said, we're going to bring this up to about a medium simmer, and it's going to be like that for about 45 minutes to an hour. Hey, just a little recap here. I just wanted to show you what I mean by I want a nice little low simmer. I don't want it. They're cooking up nicely. As you can see, they're cooking up real nice. But when you keep them in the beer on a low simmer, they'll absorb all of that rich, good flavor of the beer. And I'm telling you, these things are going to come out delicious. Okay, so as you can see, the juices have reduced down to half. Look at the line, you see where it was, where it is now. They are done. Alright, what we're going to do now is we're going to take them out of the pan, and we're going to put them back on the smoker. And you want to get a nice grill on them. Alright. I'm going to lay them just like that. They're not going to be there very long. The sugar that's left over here from the beer is going to give these a nice, dark, rich color. Alright, so while they're getting nice and brown, I got here a stick of butter. Go ahead and put it right in this pan here. We cooked the brats in. I got 2 Vidalia onions I've sliced up. I'm going to go ahead and caramelize some onions up. Hey, do me a favor. Check me out on my Patreon, Instagram. I'm also an affiliate with the Pitbull Smokers and ThermoPro. I'll leave a link for everything in the description below. Alright. Pop these off of here. Oh, look at that beautiful color. Be careful because this will still be hot. Everything you see me use here, you can also find on my Amazon. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. Now we're going to let these onions caramelize up. Look at the color. Look at the color on that. Oh, that is going to be so, so good. See, that's what happens with the sugar from the beer, from that Black and Tan. Really does a good job of getting inside that meat. And boy, does it, they brown up nice. But you can only keep them on there for a few minutes. Any longer than that, you'll burn the hell out of them. Alright, well, it's that time. It's building time. Take some of these onions first. Oh, man. They look good. That is a delicious sandwich. You can smell the Black and Tan in it. Oh man, it smells so good. I like to put the onions on the bottom. Some will put it on top, some will put it on the bottom. There you have it, folks. Rotten beer. Best combination ever. Alright? Do me a favor. I hope you like, subscribe, share with your friends. Until next time, God bless and happy eats.